So this is an S2000 CR and it is really dirty. It's in definite need for some love and some maintenance. We're going to do maintenance on this, but we talked to the customer about cleaning this engine bay up, and it's not something I'm going to charge for. I'm going to do it as kind of a complimentary just because I want to do it and I really think it needs to be done. And often when we do this kind of thing, once we get a car kind of cleaned up and the maintenance done, customers tend to fall in love with them and kind of keep up on them. I know it sounds kind of crazy, but it usually gets people back into them. So let's get started. We'll show you real quick what we're going to do, show you the end result.